Hello friends, I'm Mamta. Welcome you to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I was thinking to postpone my video to a Sunday because from Monday to Saturday I am working, and in winter season it has been difficult for me to shoot the video in morning time and join the duty. So that's why I was thinking to continue my video shoot on Sunday only. But in next Sunday one cyclone is coming, so that's why I thought that no, I should record my video today only. So today's topic will be it's a nice topic, and I really enjoy this topic, and I also hope that yes, you people also enjoy the topic. The topic is importance of girls education in India. So the female sex ratio in India has 1020 in every 1000 males according to National Family Health Survey 5. It means the country's growth depends on growth rate of 50% of men and 50% of women. So education is a vital part of a living being, whether it's a boy or a girl. Education assists on an individual to be smarter, to learn new things, and to know about the facts across the globe. So, what is the importance of girls' education? What is the importance of female education? The first point is gender inequality. As we know, our 50% of population are females also. It's all human being right that every individual will get same respect, fulfill their basic needs, and learn and gain more knowledge and skills for better future, irrespective of any gender. But in this patriarchal society, the female gender are not getting opportunity as like male. The second point is improve life and health condition. Mostly in rural areas, the condition of women health and life is horrible. If we talk about life, they are not getting proper nutrition, not getting proper rest, proper wealth, cloth to wear, some amount of money to spend for their child and for her, and proper care for her health also. So many women are suffering from malnutrition in rural areas. It's because though they don't have proper amount of money, they are not spending a little penny for them because of their kind heart and emotional attachment towards family members they are sacrificing. So, if we talk about health, women are not getting proper health facilities. Though they are uneducated, they have they have fear to come out from home, even if from mild to severe disease. Also, they are being dependent on husband, son, and brother, etc. Till that time, it may so late to treat them. So now we'll see what is the next point? Getting married in early age. So a girl child is not being sent to school for education. So family are taking her as a extra burden. So to remove that burden from head, they are giving marriage to the girl child in early age, which is creating a lot of trouble in future. So education can avoid that problem. The fourth point is next point, that is women are not supporting women. So because of lack of education, women are not supporting women. It's a long period crisis. For example, like if a daughter-in-law is giving a birth to a girl child, so the first negative reaction is coming from mother-in-law only. She has no idea that her son is only responsible for a girl child. She is not supporting to her daughter-in-law in each aspect for which it is being a habit in a family in each generation. So to create a proper balance in family, the girl's education is must. The next point is to enhance their inner ability. God has given the same amount of same ability to both men and women. But in society, men are more successful than women. The women success rate is very low in India. It doesn't mean they don't have ability to get success. It's because they are not aware of their ability. Also, they are not getting proper facility to explore their quality. The family is having a weak and sensitive mindset towards their girl child. You have seen that a girl child is not being sent to outside for higher studies, for job, for business. They could not able to walk outside at night also because they are not secure. So the freedom, whatever a man is getting, a woman should get. It will change by education and awareness only. The next point is taking life as a sin after husband's death. So I have seen many families where woman is suffering a lot by thinking that their life is a sin. It's only happened because they are dependent on their father and brother during unmarried life and on husband after marriage. So most of the cases after husband's unexpected death in early stage, wife's condition of life is being ruined. Though they are not able to earn money to support her children, so they are taking the life as a sin. If they are having a girl child, taking life as a miserable sin of life. So to avoid horrible condition, to avoid this type of condition of a woman, to improve the quality of life of a woman, education is most important. The last point is girls' education are most important for a developed country. So we can imagine if our 50% of population of the country will not get proper education, proper facility, guidance and scope to improve their life condition, what will be the country's condition? So to be a developed country, we have to look at the condition of a woman financially, educationally, socially, mentally. Women should be successful to build a successful country. So these are the points for which the girls' education is most important. If you like my video, please press the like button, share my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the next video notification. Thank you so much. Have a nice future and I'll come with another video. Till then, bye bye.